Hello guys, today we'll show you how to send your picture or file from your computer Windows 7 to your smartphone or from your smartphone to your computer by using Bluetooth. I will transfer this file to my tablet. Look like this. So let's see how it works. The first step, we just go to Start Window and we tap the word Device Manager. It's right here, Device Manager, and click on it, and then we go to the Bluetooth. We will see Bluetooth right here. We have to enable Bluetooth or Microsoft Bluetooth enumerator. Just click on it, enable. Why we need to enable Bluetooth? We enable Bluetooth enumerator. It means that we make the Bluetooth workable, searchable, and pair. So now we just close it. So next I just go to Start Window again. And I go to Control Panel, and I go to Hardware and Sound, and I go to Device and Printers on the top. And this time I go to my tablet. I turn on Bluetooth on my tablet, and I just pair all the Bluetooth on my tablet. So just click on pair, and I go to add device, and now is the searchable device of my tablet Bluetooth is pop up. So I just click on it to install the software of my tablet to the computer. And I click on pair, and now Bluetooth is installed to my computer. I mean that the Bluetooth and the device add to my computer. So the message is your device is ready to use. So now Bluetooth on my tablet is 100% connected to the computer. Now it's success install. Just close it. Then to send file, I just go to Start Window again, and I go to Bluetooth File Transfer Wizard. After opening the Bluetooth Transfer Wizard, we just go to the word send file. I want to send file to the Galaxy Tab 6s Lite. Just click on it and scroll down the file that I want to send to, and click on it, and then next. And now look at the tablet. The tablet showing the message that file transfer. So we just accept it. File is success received. Just click on it. Yes. Just open on it. Okay, this is the file that I sent from my computer to my tablet. Now it's time I want to send file from my smartphone, my tablet to my computer. So what I have to do is I just go to file that I want to send to my computer. Example, I want to send this file or this picture, and I come back to my computer and go to Bluetooth File Transfer Wizard again, and click on the word receive file, and I go to share my picture on tablet on Bluetooth, and go to available device. It's my computer. I click on it, and now look at the window of my computer. The file is receiving. It's working so fast. And now we have done sending the file from my tablet to my computer. The window showing that save file, save the file, receive. Save the file to the location below, or click browse to choose the different location. It means that we can choose the location that you want to store the file that you send from your tablet to your computer. So I make it easy to show you. I browse it to desktop. I click on desktop and then I click on OK and finish. Now on desktop showing news picture is coming now, so I click on it. So here it is the file that I sent from my tablet to my computer by using Bluetooth of Windows 7. So thank you everyone. This is how to send file or send picture from your computer to your smartphone and from your smartphone to your computer by using the Bluetooth with Windows 7. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye.